Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Chakrapani Pandey and you are watching the English version of my rose treatment. Friends, this is a plant which leaves are yellow. This is a sign of chlorosis and the temperature of this area is about 41 to 45 degrees Celsius in the noon. So you are curious to know how to care my plant from heat, and these leaves become yellow to become green. This is the sign of chlorosis. Your plants became chlorosis because these plants have not enough micronutrient and Epsom salt and root treatment. So how can I root treatment do this plant? Please know it better and you can apply your plant to this treatment. This is the English version my video, and after that I can tell you about English version in this video. So let's do the first step what I am taken to protect this plant from heat and produce green leaves, because these are the signs of chlorosis, and when a plant became a disease of chlorosis, his leaves does not produce his food better. So step by step I told you what can you do to revive your plant. First of all, we can use a solution of hydrogen peroxide. This is a hydrogen peroxide to apply the root for the oxygen of the plant. How can I apply? I tell you. This is an instrument which we call khurpi, and I dig out the media of the plant. The media of the plant. These plants are potted in a sand media. So I took half liter of water in a pot and add 5 ml of hydrogen peroxide, 5 ml, that is a 1 cup of hydrogen peroxide. Ye, see it, and pour the water. This solution does not mix in water properly, so you can mix it properly, then put into the pot. Roundabout you can pour the plant. This is the first things which you can use your plant 5 days interval. After that, after 5 days you can use Combi 2 micronutrient. This is not advertisement, but this is a good micronutrient fertilizer. I can tell you what it. देखिए, zinc, iron, manganese, copper, boron and molybdenum. These are the good combination of micronutrient. So I can use 1 spoonful of micronutrient in a half liter of water. And ये देखिए आप, look at this. Now slowly solution dissolve in the water, and after that you can put it in your pot. Friends, know better that a flower plant, basically rose plant, is a heavy feeder plant. It always need heavy nutrient, micronutrient fertilizer. So you can use after 5 days. This is frequently use of 5 days interval. देखिए, ये मैंने इसको look at this, मैंने इस पे इसको डाल दिया है और यहाँ कुछ नहीं बचा है. ये आपको this is used after 5 days, and then after last treatment you use your plant Epsom salt. This is a Epsom salt, and this is a spray machine. It contained 1 liter of water, and I put it 1 gram, 1 liter in 1 gram or 1 spoonful. ये Epsom salt, MgSO4, and then I diluted it. Slowly swallow it and then spray it. And thoroughly, every branches, every leaves, you can spray it. Look at that plant, shoots, basal shoots. It's called basal shoots. Look at that. These are the three things which you can do your plant. Then I promise you, your plant grow well. Because in hot season, you must look your plant properly, watering properly, fertilize properly, and spray properly. So friends, this is a video which I can tell you about the rose plant to avoid chlorosis. This is an English version video, and now I tell you about Hindi version video, which descriptions I can make you. Best of luck. I can meet you the next video. Please subscribe my channel, like my channel, and share my channel. Okay friends, good for the day and best wishes to you.